statues. Carrara Market. Paul's Plants. Located just inside the main gates of Carrara Markets, Paul's Plants is an independent nursery offering a fantastic range of indoor and outdoor plants, along with a variety of pots in different colors and styles. Open 7 days a week, they provide expert advice to help you choose the perfect additions to your garden. Carrara Markets on the Gold Coast is a premier destination for garden enthusiasts, offering a diverse selection of pots, statues, and outdoor decor. With over 300 stalls, the market is open every Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pecco's Pots. Pecco's Pots is renowned for its extensive collection of garden pots, statues, and water features. They offer a wide range of items suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Open every weekend, Pecco's Pots is a must-visit for those looking to enhance their garden aesthetics. Wooden statues. For unique wooden statues, there are stalls within Carrara Markets offering handcrafted pieces made from Cunninghamia lanceolata wood. These statues are carved from single pieces of wood, providing distinctive art pieces for your garden. Whether you're looking to revamp your garden or add unique pieces to your outdoor space, Carrara Markets offers a plethora of options to suit various tastes and budgets.